Hi, hello, welcome to Mallesh Kirishetty YouTube channel. Today we are discuss about one interesting topic, reproduction in plants. We know reproduction in animals we discussed in the previous classes. Now today we discuss about the reproduction in plants. We know on the earth, 2,75,000 species of plant species are there. The plant species living in the different regions. Some they live in the Mount Everest, and some they live in the desert areas. Some they live in the cold regions and cold regions areas. So different plants they live in the different areas. So when we are observing the reproduction in the plants, reproductive organ is there. The reproductive organ is called flower. In the plant, the reproductive organ is called flower. Flower is the reproductive organ. So now you can see flower and they can observe their parts. So we can observe the datura flower. Floral parts of the datura flower. When we observing the datura flower, flower contain the different type of parts are there. We can contain the stalk. We can contain the calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Next male androecium, gynoecium. Androecium contain the stamen, anther, pollen grains, and gynoecium contain the stigma, style, ovary. So this is the parts of the flower. So how they involving through the in reproductive system. Let us we can see in that some flowers, different flowers are there. Complete flowers are there, incomplete flowers are there. Unisexual flowers are there, bisexual flowers are there. First let us discuss about that unisexual flowers. Which flower contain only one sexual organ, or male or female, only it will contain one sexual organ. That flowers is called as a unisexual flowers. Uni means one. Example bottle gourd and again papaya. So this only can call as a incomplete flowers. And again bisexual flowers means which flower contain the in male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs, like androecium and again gynoecium, stamens and carpels, both will contain the one flower. It is called as a bisexual flower. Another name is called as a complete flower. Example datura and hibiscus. When you are observing the flower, just we can take one flower. Flower, suppose this is the flower, hibiscus flower. So the flower contain the stalk is there. This contain the staples is there. Next contain the anther is there. The anther contain the pollen grains is there. So let us discuss about the self pollination and again that cross pollination. Self pollination means one flower pollen grains reach to the same flower is called as a self pollination. Suppose one flower is there, one flower pollen grain reach that same flower, if you reach, that is called as a self pollination. One flower pollen grains reach to the another flower. Suppose here one flower is there, so this pollen grains reach to the another flower, it is called as a cross pollination. Once again, self pollination means one flower pollen grains reach to that same flower is called as a self pollination. One flower pollen grains reach to the another flower is called as a cross pollination. So you can see the self pollination, cross pollination is there. Next you can see male reproductive organ androecium and female reproductive organ is called as a gynoecium. Androecium, it is contain the anther and pollen tube, and the pollen tube contain the pollen grains. And again the female reproductive organ gynoecium contain style, stigma, and again that ovary. This is how they involving to the reproduction process. You can see the pollen tube. Anther contain the pollen tube anther contain the pollen grains. The pollen grains reach to that same flower is called as a self pollination. Another flower is called as a cross pollination. Through the air, through the wind, through the insect, reach to the pollen grains one flower to another flower. So when the reach to the pollen grains to the male reproductive organ anther, when the pollen grains reach to the first gynoecium. First starting part is called as a stigma, and stigma, it is called the one tube-like structure is there. Okay, that is called as a pollen. Okay, stigma, and again next it is style. First enter into the stigma to travel through the style and reach to the ovary. Ovary contain the ovules. So pollen grains enter into the ovum. Okay, they contain the ovules. So pollen grains fertilization process will take place. Okay, the fertilization, okay, pollen grains reach to the ovum. Okay, they can fertilization take place. Okay, the form as a zygote. Okay, fertilization after the form as a zygote. This zygote development will take place the form as a fruit, and the fruit contain the seeds, and the seeds when they falling on the earth, germination process will be take place. Okay, this is about that. Okay, reproduction in the plants. So once revise the plants, it is contained. Okay, in the plant is the flower is the reproductive organ of the plant. Okay, flower contain the different parts are there. Okay, in lower class we discussed about calyx, corolla. Okay, calyx contain the sepals, corolla contain the petals, attractive parts. And again they contain the androecium and the gynoecium. Male reproductive is called as a androecium, female reproductive is called as a gynoecium. Androecium contain the anther and again pollen tube. Okay, anther contain the pollen grains, and gynoecium contain the okay style, stigma and ovary. The pollen grains reach to the stigma to style and travel reach to the ovary. They contain the ovules. They can fertilization process will take place, form as a zygote. Okay, zygote. Okay, then form as a fruit, and fruit contain the seeds. Then germinate into that new plant. Okay, this is about that structure of the flower. Okay, if you want like this interesting matters, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. This is the natural hibiscus flower in my garden. If you want like this important topic information, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you all.